Hi traders, you are welcome to this video, and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. We are going to be looking at one of the most effective trading strategies in this video, okay? One that can help you, with your understanding about market movement. So basically, we're going to be looking at combining price and volume using the time segmented volume, TSV for short. So if you are looking for a deeper, more precise way to analyze price action and volume, um, then this video is for you. Okay, before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights. Now let's just get right into how time segmented volume works and why it is such a game changer in trading. Okay, so what exactly is the time segmented volume? Okay, we actually have indicator for the time segmented volume, right? Actually I have indicator for that. Okay, all right. Essentially, it's an advanced indicator that breaks down the total trading volume into specific time segments. Okay? Into specific time segments. So this allows traders to analyze in volume behavior in relation to price movement in a much more granular way than traditional volume indicators. Okay, so the idea behind TSV is simple. By separating volume into time-based chunks, we can identify how volume behaves during different periods, helping us to spot trends, reversals, and key entry points. All right, so now you might be wondering, why should you use TSV? Well, traditional volume indicators only show the total volume traded over a set period, but TSV gives you a more detailed view by highlighting volume activity during specific time frames. Okay, which helps you better understand the market's momentum. So by analyzing how volume behaves during certain times of the day or during specific market conditions, you'll be able to catch market moves earlier and avoid potential false signals. Now, one of the most powerful ways to use TSV is to combine it with price action. Okay, let us talk about how you can use this combination to spot potential market trends. First of all, identify trends with TSV and price. When you see price moving in a particular direction, for example, what we can see happening here, you see price moving in a particular direction, you want to confirm the trend by looking at the TSV indicator. Okay, if volume increases in the same direction as price, you can see that price was going downward. The TSV indicator has flipped to the negative territory. That flip confirmed the bearish momentum. Can you see the histogram bars has flipped to the negative territory? The TSV line has dropped into the negative territory below the zero level, and guess what? We can see how the bars were increasing, and here at this pullback we had a slight upward move and the continuation. So this indicator confirmed the significant bearish move. It confirmed the bearish trend. All right, so if price is rising but volume is decreasing, that case it could show weakening trend. But so long as you have the volume increasing in the direction of the trend, it shows that the trend is strong. Okay, now one of the most critical aspects of TSV is spotting volume spikes. All right, when you notice a sharp increase in volume along with a significant price movement like what we have here, okay, it could be a sign of an impending reversal. Can you see that shortly afterwards we actually had a reversal, right? Just fast forward, this is the daily time frame. Okay, remember that the higher the time frame, the more significant the candles are, right? So but after a brief consolidation, because this bearish move eventually came to an end, we had a consolidation and then we had a breakout to the upside. Okay, so to identify optimal entry points, you just look for a combination of strong price movement and increasing volume, especially during breakouts or pullbacks. So you can see we had a pullback here. This trading in the direction of the sell trend. We had a pullback here. We had a significant increase in volume. So this was actually a good opportunity to enter a sell. All right, if you had entered a sell trade around there, perhaps set your stop loss above the previous swing high. You can be targeting the support zone, right? This support zone for your take profit, or you watch out for when the volume begins to decrease, and maybe when a volume bar appears in the positive territory, then you just manually exit your sell trade. Okay, now while the TSV is powerful on its own, well, it's even more effective when used in conjunction with other technical indicators. For example, combining TSV with moving averages or RSI can actually give you more confidence in your trades. Maybe you want to add RSI to your analysis using the TSV. Maybe when the TSV gives you a sell signal, showing an increase in volume, you just look at the RSI and confirm whether the RSI is within the overbought territory. If not, so long as the RSI is sloping downwards, that could be a confirmation for that sell, right? Sorry, ensure that the RSI is not in oversold for a sell. So long as it's not in oversold and maybe it's coming down from the overbought, okay, and sloping downwards, then you can have a confirmation for that sell. Then if it is the case of a buy, maybe you have a bullish trend, and maybe you have a bullish trend, and then the TSV gives you a signal for, you have a bullish trend and the TSV gives you a signal for a buy, maybe an increase in volume. Once you have that, you can look at the RSI and ensure that you get confirmation, maybe an RSI bullish cross, or ensure that the RSI is not in overbought territory, or just to add to the confirmation given to you by the TSV, or confirmation of the signal given to you by the TSV. Okay, you can also use moving averages. Watch out for the price trading above the moving average. Okay, maybe depending on your style of trading, whether you are a swing trader or a scalper, that's going to determine the moving average period that you're going to be using. Okay, let's just use the normal exponential moving average and not the ribbon. Okay, so that's actually going to determine the moving average period that you're going to use. So let's just say let's use the 20 period EMA, for example. So when you have the price trading above it, that gives a confirmation for a buy. But when price breaks below it, it could mean that sell momentum is building up. So you can use that as a confirmation to the signals given to you by the TSV as well. Okay, so and then ensure that you start simple. Okay, for beginners looking to integrate TSV into their strategy, make sure you start simple. If you are new to TSV, start by watching how volume behaves during price breakouts or consolidations. Then you can also try to correlate it with price movements. All right, and make sure you use multiple time frames. Just check volume activity on multiple time frames. A strong daily volume trend, confirmed on an hourly chart, for example, can give you a high probability trade. And then finally, do not rely on TSV alone. While TSV is a great tool, always look for confirmation from price action or other indicators to make more reliable trades, just like we discussed. Okay, and that wraps up our deep dive into the time segmented volume, that's the TSV, and how to combine it with price action for a winning trading strategy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more trading strategies. Okay, drop any questions or feedback in the comments below, and let us discuss how you are using TSV in your trading journey. See you in the next video, and happy trading.